Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smashers. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of a power bank investment website. So basically this is a power bank solar investment website script. So viewers, in this video I'll give you the complete demo overview of this website, and I will show you how you can control this website from admin panel. So be with us and watch this video till the end, and I will show you how you can make this kind of site. And viewers, now let's start this video. But before starting this video, if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and you can buy this script easily from us. And if you need the complete website, we also build the complete websites, and if you need APK for this, we will build it for you. So now first of all, we have to enter our mobile number in order to log in. But if you don't have an account, you have to register on the website. So you can go to registration option, and by filling these details you can register your account. So we already have an account, so I'm not gonna register again, and I will register with my existing detail. And here I have to enter my password. After entering these details, just click on login and it will log you into your user panel. So viewers, you can see that how amazing its look is, and each and everything that is on website is changeable. If you want to change banners, everything is changeable. You can see your total balance here, you can see your income here. So here you can see the recharge option over here in this section, and you can see withdraw option, account option, and investment option, and you can see the latest list of transactions on the website. So when you click on recharge, so here you can recharge using USDT gateway. So you can select the amount, or you can type the amount here, the amount you want to recharge, and just click on go to a selection account. Here you can choose your account, USDT gateway or any gateway. You can create any of a gateway you want, and here you can see a countdown timer for your recharge. Here you can recharge on this address, and you can put this address from admin, and you can upload your serial transaction ID and your payment proof like screenshot, and you can send request to admin for your this recharge. And you can create as many as gateways you want. Currently there are 2 gateways, but you can create as many as gateways you want, so you don't need to worry about the gateway. You can insert fiat currency gateways as well. Here is withdraw option, same like deposit. You can withdraw your money. And viewers, here is the account option, so you can go and enter your account details. Here is investment option, so you can see all the investment plans that are on your website. So here you can also go to invest here, and you can see all those plans on the website, and you can invest in any of the plan you want. So you can buy these packages, and you can insert as many as packages you want from admin panel. So it's completely simple and easy to insert packages, VIP plans from admin. Here you can see there is a team option, so you can see referral team option, so you can refer people and also earn money through referrals as well. Here you can see your total team size, team income, total recharge, total withdrawals over here, and here you can see all your subordinates of levels over here in this section. And this is your referral link. You can copy it and you can send different peoples. So those who will join using this link will appear under your referral. So it's completely simple and easy to refer people. Here you can go to my section, and you can see your total balance here, income here. You can put your pictures from here, account details, and you can recharge. You can see my investment, means you can see your investment in different plans. Here you can see withdrawal option, so here you can set up your withdrawal account. Here you can see all your recharge records in this section. So currently we haven't recharged anything, so here you can see your withdrawal record, you can see promo record, you can download the APK of this website. So viewers, this is all about the user panel of website. Now viewers, now we will go to its admin panel, and I will show you how you can completely control this website from admin panel. But before moving towards the video, if you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel, and also comment your thoughts in the comment box. And viewers, now let's go and now let's see how we can control this website. And before moving towards the video, let me show you that you can see this website is on my domain name demo subdomain demo2.scriptsmasher.com. so it is for your confirmation that it is hosted on my own domain, not on someone else's domain. I am giving you demo on my own domain. So I have first installed it, completely checked it, and then I am giving you the demo. So viewers, now let's go to admin and let's see how it will work. So viewers, here you can see that I am on my admin login page. You have to just type the /admin after the link and you will be redirected here. So here I have to enter my admin email and password in order to log in. So here you can see there is email option, so I will enter my admin email and here I will enter my password in order to log in as the admin of the website. So I will just click on continue and it will be redirected us to our admin panel. Viewers, this is the amazing admin panel of this website. Here you can see total users, total purchases of plans, total VIP plans on the website, active bonuses, already used bonuses, USDT deposits, each and everything, withdrawals, each and everything you can see right here in this section. Here you can see the notifications of related to your website, like new messages, updates available, and all the notifications are here. And now here you can submit your salary. First of all, from salary option, here you can go and add VIP. So from this option, from here you can add new plans to your website. So currently I am showing you in my phone, but if you use admin panel in your laptop, it will be more easy to use it in laptop. Here you can add new plans to your website. Just fill the package name, choose the photo of plan, and set commissions, validity of days, and you can easily create a new package from here. And you can see the package list over here, and you can edit these packages as well. Go to edit option, and if you want to edit them, you can edit them as well. So this is how you can edit them, and you can also delete them, and you can insert as many as packages you want. And here is VIP slider. So from here you can change the slider images and you can insert your own slider images from this section. So it's completely simple. And if you want to add new slider images, just go to new slider images and you can add a new images for the slider. So it's very simple to add the slider images. And now let me just go back and let's explore some other options. Here you can manage all the bonuses on your website, so you can add new bonuses from here. Click on add new and you can add new bonus from here. So here you can see your customers, so you can see all your customers in this section. Here is your list of customers, so these are all your customers. So you can see their mobile numbers, you can see their names. Here if you want to ban them, you can ban them, you can send them gifts, and here you can change their details, you can ban them, you can unban them from here. And if you want to see login as customer, so you can log in their account as well. Here if you want to log in as user, you can do that, and you can inactive them as well. So here you can see all their purchase records of your customers in this section. So these are all the purchase records. Here you can see all, you can approve or reject the payments of user. So when user will request a deposit, it will be appeared here, and you have to approve or reject the deposit from this section. So you can approve it or reject it from here. Same like this, you can reject it or approve it. So let me just approve it. So this is how you can approve deposit requests. And here you can see all your approved deposit, rejected deposit. Here are same withdrawal requests, so you can approve or reject the withdrawal request of users from this section. Here you can see the user notices, and you can send them notices to different users, and you can add a new item line from here. So this is a setting. If you want to create a payment gateways, you can do it from here. You can see there are currently 2 gateways. Now if you want to create more gateways, you can just go to add new item and you can create a new payment gateway. So here you have to give the image for gateway, name for gateway, address, method, and here you can create a gateway for your website, this website. And if you want to edit the existing or delete the existing gateways, you can do that from here. And viewers, here are some setting options. So here you can set up withdraw charges, minimum withdrawals, maximum withdrawal. You can set up Telegram link from here, and you can change the settings from this sections. So viewers, this is all about its admin panel. And if you want to buy this script, and if you need the complete website or any type of website, HYIP investment website, PTC website, e-commerce website, all type of websites and designs are available. You can contact us and we will build the sites you want, so you don't need to worry about anything. You can contact us for more details and we will build what you want. Viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also comment your thoughts in the comment box, and be happy, viewers.